wanted people to have the experience to go through what it is to listen to somebody just breathe. This show is totally different for me. So I wanted to have this experience, and I think a lot of people that have kids, they will relate to it. The most beautiful thing is to hear your own sons breathing or snoring, or just the sound that is sleep, because it's a calmness that is very angelic, it's very private. So to me, that was really a way to not only to exercise your demon, they say, but to also honor the memory that I have gone with him as a foster parent.
To me, this exhibit is about closure. The people who have seen the exhibit, whether they have experienced loss of this caliber or not, are able to relate. And it's quite interesting to see that.
What is great about the four sound is that when they're together near the bed, it sounds like the sea. When they're together, it's like an orchestra or sound, and then you get lost in that.
You know, life is about moments that ebb and flow. And I felt like closing my eyes and listening to all four speaker sounds come in. As I said, I felt like it was like sounds of the beach, the tide coming in, ebbing and flowing. And there's certain sounds that sounded like whale sounds.
The sound of the installation put you in another state of mind, like you can feel that people are sleeping, but at the same time you feel like close to the ocean.
All our lives, we are listening to a lot of noises and sounds and music. So sound is inside our life, and this is good to also think when you are doing art, to also think about the sound.
It's pretty significant, you know. It's not only personal for personal sake, but you know, significant in a way where it's relatable in so many levels.
It makes a positive impact on people too. So people live with a smile. People don't live with sadness or sorrow because of what's going on. I can see the connection of every single image with his previous work, which is to me, he's just evolving, but without losing the footprints of his evolution. He remains true to Vincent.
This is a very personal installation. I think this is beautiful because it's really art. It's a sharing of feelings, sharing emotions. So I think this is great for an installation.
I needed for this show to be the way it is here, to show my feelings into an open type of situation. It's not easy and it's not safe. You know, you have to think differently, outside the box now. Nothing is safe for me. So I'm venturing into a void, a space, a different area.